All right, next step. On your paper, you should have drawn a picture now of what all of your sediments look like. So, sediments are small pieces of rock and gravel and sandstone, weathered rocks and minerals that sink to the bottom of the water and often carried by rivers and deposited into the ocean. Or it's that fine grain of sand that you see, especially in our deserts. Once these sediments meet up with the ocean floor or combine all together, they're no longer being carried by a current and sink to the bottom of the ocean floor. But we move to the next step. So the next step is down here. We are going to take our wax paper now. So you have 2 pieces of wax paper, and you are going to place your starburst on top of 1 piece of wax paper. You can see I've already done so on my paper here, but I put it on my plate just so it wouldn't make a mess for me and I could show you better. You don't necessarily have to use your plate, but what you are going to do is place your other piece of wax paper on top. Notice how I've gathered all of my sediment together, and I am going to compact and cement the sediment together. So take the palm of your hand and you're just gonna press, and you keep pressing and you sort of mash them together. You can even yell compaction, cementation, because that is what you're doing to the sediments in this next step. Also what happens to go through the rock cycle. So continue, compaction, cementation, compaction, cementation, as I'm just pressing my starburst, my sediments together. Keep doing that until they all are closely together and all smushed. And then when you're done, draw a picture on your rock cycle page of what your starburst look like after you compacted and cemented all of the sediments together. Then, what is this rock now called? You took all of those sediments and compacted them together, cemented where it is now one solid object. Now we had the 3 different colors. Now all of them are coming together. What kind of rock is that? Let's see if you're right in the next video.